In a significant move that could reshape the consumer AI landscape, Meta has launched a standalone AI assistant app, expanding access to its Llama 4-powered Meta AI beyond its social platforms. Now available on iOS and Android in select countries, US, Canada, New Zealand, and Australia, the app allows users to interact with Meta AI through both text and voice, with advanced capabilities like full duplex voice conversations and contextual memory. This strategic release positions Meta as a direct competitor to OpenAI's ChatGPT, offering a free multimodal AI experience integrated across Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, Messenger, and Ray-Ban Meta Smart Glasses. The app also includes a Discover feed that encourages exploration and sharing of AI use cases, further distinguishing itself through a social-first approach to generative AI. With this launch, Meta signals its ambition to become a dominant force in the AI assistant space, competing head-to-head with existing players like OpenAI, Google, and Anthropic.